With the recent release of the new PS5 update that finally allows you to move PS5 and PS4 games to an external USB storage, I thought we would finally take a look at building our own storage device with the option to upgrade later. Hello everyone, my name's Mike, and here at SABRENT I talk about tech and tech related stuff, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you stay updated. With PS5 games growing in size, with some games exceeding 100 gigabytes, you may start to fill up your PS5 internal storage very quickly. Currently the PS5 has 825 gigabytes of internal storage, but only has around 660 gigabytes of usable memory to play with, because a large chunk of the internal storage is reserved for system files and the PlayStation's operating system. PlayStation 4 games can be installed on your PS5 to play your favourite classics, but again, these can take up rather a large chunk of space. Well, if you don't know, you can actually connect up an external USB storage device to extend the PS5 storage amount. Now, there are some limitations which I'll get into later. Here I have the SABRENT USB 3.2 NVMe enclosure as well as our Rocket Q drive. The SABRENT enclosure is a tool-free enclosure that comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable. This has a transfer rate of up to 100 megabytes per second, which will be plenty for the PS5. The Rocket Q is available from 500 gigabytes up to 8 terabytes of storage, suiting a wide range of budgets and needs. This is one of our most affordable drives because it doesn't compromise on performance, with read and write speeds of 3200 megabytes per second and 2900 megabytes per second respectively. This will saturate more than enough the 3.2 USB connection of the enclosure and has a large cache, meaning that when you're transferring large files, you will struggle to slow this drive down. By using an external enclosure, you can load all of your PS4 games and actually play the PS4 games directly from the enclosure. This means that you can keep all of your PS5 games on your PS5 itself, and then you can play your PS4 games on the SSD and play all of your games instantly. Now be aware that you can't play PS5 games on the USB drive due to the limitations of the PlayStation's USB port, but if you want to play PS5 games, all that you need to do is just copy the game data from the USB extended storage drive back to the PS5's internal SSD storage, and this is much quicker to copy a PS5 game from a USB extended storage than to re-download it. So enough talking, let's get building. So it's really easy to install the SSD in our tool-free enclosure. Basically, you've got a little button just on the top here, which all that you do is just press that and then it opens up. And then as you can see, this is where the SSD is stored there, and there's even a pre-installed thermal pad right there so that the heat can dissipate throughout the aluminium enclosure. This is a really nice high quality enclosure. Now depending on the solution that you choose, so whether you want the upgrade path by using the Rocket 4 Plus, or if you're just looking to extend your PS4 games and being able to transfer your PS5 games onto the internal storage, then just pick whichever one. All that you do, as you saw, is just slot it in like so, and you want to make sure you do this at a 45-degree angle. Then there is a little nub right at the back, and then all that you want to do is just move that out the way and then push it down. Make sure that the nub is fully inserted so that the SSD doesn't move, and then all that you do is just close it up, and then you should hear a click when it's closed. Like so. When you first start using the USB drive with your PS5 console, please make sure that you format the drive as an USB extended storage, and that's really easy because all that you do is just connect up the drive to the back USB port on the back of the PS5. Then you want to go into settings, then storage, then USB extended storage, and then click format as USB extended storage. Just make sure to not turn off or disconnect the USB drive while you're formatting, as doing this may cause some data loss, corruption, or damage actually your PS5 console or USB drive. That's it. now you have an external drive that you can run PS4 games and store your PS5 games for faster access. If you choose our Rocket 4 Plus SSD, then you've got an upgrade path for swapping it out of the enclosure into that expansion slot that's inside the PS5. But that's it for today. If you found this video interesting, then please make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you want to watch more content like this. Also, make sure to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, as we always update our latest stuff on there as well. Anyway, look after yourselves and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.